Getting ready for prom is all about time, isn't it? And many times you're in that time crunch, whether you have your prom the same as Mother's Day weekend, or it's just that you have so much going on. You're looking for the way to be the most productive and get things done really fast. And Fitz has come up with the Fitz Delightz. Now the Delightz are pre-made with the bows and the backing on here, so it makes it really fast and easy for you to put together a corsage. Watch how quick this is. As you can see, that was easy.